Hey, what's up everyone? It's Roxanne Mendoza with RM Global Business Solutions. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the importance of trademarking your business, how to actually trademark your business without using an attorney, and the importance of protecting your brand. So stay tuned. All right, let's get back into it. So, trademarking is different than copywriting and patent. So, copywriting is if you're gonna publish something or you're writing a book, that's where you would copyright your material. Or patent is if you have developed a product, like let's say you're developing a lotion or a perfume or a specific food, so forth and so on, you would go and then get a patent. But today, I'm specifically talking about trademarking. So what exactly is a trademark? Simple, a trademark becomes your property. So even if it's your website, your logo, your product, your service, your slogan, your packaging, your bag, whatever it is, it becomes yours and no one else can utilize it without your authority. If not, again, you can take legal action towards them. Now, why is it important to trademark and protect your brand? This can include from your website, your logo, your slogan, so forth and so on. I highly recommend that this is one of the initial investments that you make when starting your business. But if you don't, easily anyone can come, just like I have here. If I didn't have this trademark, anyone can come, use the same logo, use my same product or service, use my same slogan, and if I didn't have a trademark, they can easily take it, trademark it themselves, and there would be absolutely nothing that I can do at that point. So let's work on this. Before we get into the simple steps on how to start your trademark process, I wanted to show you this as an example. So this was a letter and it looks legit. I mean, it has a company name. It even has a picture of my logo here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'll move forward. But this letter was telling me to pay almost $1,500 for them to continue processing my application. And if I wasn't savvy enough, I would have paid that amount of money and they would have taken my logo. Not only did they send me a letter with my logo, but they also sent me a letter with my slogan. The blueprint to success is you is my slogan. And again, if I wasn't knowledgeable and savvy on trademarking, I would have paid almost $3,000. They would have taken my money and I would have been out of my brand and my slogan and my logo and everything else. So let's get into how simple it is to start your trademark application. So step number one is creating your USPTO account. This is where you create your password, your login information, and so forth and so on. And step number two is actually starting the application. So there's a click on icon where you go to the USPTO or my.USPTO.gov, and it allows you to click on starting a new application. Step number three is actually uploading your logo, your slogan, whatever it is that you're looking to trademark. It allows you to do all of it in one application. Step number four, it's going to ask you specific information like what industry is your logo or slogan going to be about, whether it's business consulting, whether it's educational, artists, so forth and so on. It's going to ask you that information. So before we continue, make sure you hit that notification bell, subscribe to our channel, and comment below. I'd like to hear your thoughts. What do you think about trademarking your business? And step number five is gonna ask you specifics about the lettering, the color, what type of font do you use, and so forth and so on. So it's very important to be very specific, especially that it's gonna be your property. So take the time to fill out the application. And finally, it's going to ask you your information about where your business address is, your signature, and then it's going to ask you to upload the payment information. So once you're looking to start your trademark process and complete the application, you're going to look at budgeting around $375, no more and no less. And there you filed your trademark application. And you're gonna feel so protected. You're gonna feel great that it's yours. And again, it's gonna be a little lengthy process because it takes between 12 to 13 months for it to be processed, but it's yours, it's your property. I hope this video has helped you on the importance of protecting your brand, trademarking your business, your logo, your slogan, whatever the case may be. Just protect what's yours. And be sure to continue to check us out on all social media outlets as well as our website. Hit the notification bell, subscribe to our channel, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And always remember, the blueprint to your success is you. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great one. Bye-bye.